Are you tired of trading your precious time for money in a 9 to 5 grind? What if I told you there is a way to break free and design a life where your money works for you? Stick around because in this video, I will share secrets to financial freedom that anyone can start applying today, even if you are just starting. Hi everyone, my name is Irene, the founder of Irene Consulting Firm. Here on this channel, I share the best insight to help you grow well, start businesses, and create a life of financial independence. If that is your goal, be sure to hit the subscription button and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. Let's dive in. Let us talk about passive income stream. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income let you earn even when you are not working. Think of options like rental property, dividend stock, or selling digital product like ebook or course. This requires some upfront work, but they pay you back for years to come. Which stream are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Next, technology is your best friend when escaping the 9 to 5. From AI-powered tools that manage tasks for you to automate investing app, you can free up and grow faster. For example, tools like ChatGPT can help you create content, while robo-advisor can optimize your investments.
Looking for motivational apparel and essentials to kickstart 2025? Visit my Etsy shop, Irene Biz Essentials. Simply go to www.etsy.com/shop/Irene Biz Essentials and grab your favorites today. Link in the description.
Finally, online businesses are more accessible than ever. Consider dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or create an online course. These businesses are scalable, meaning you can grow your income without being limited by how many days. I have helped clients start and scale their businesses. Reach out if you need guidance. Money is just the first step. To truly be financially free, you need to manage and grow your wealth wisely. Create a budget, automate saving, and reinvest profit into income-generating assets. This is the roadmap to lasting financial independence. If you are serious about financial freedom and need professional help with data analysis, financial insight, or visualization tools for your business, I'm here to help. Check out my contact info in the description below to get started. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs inspiration, and subscribe for more insights. Next up, check out my video on top 5 AI business idea for more way to go your way. See you in the next one.
Running a small or medium business is no easy task, and managing your finances shouldn't hold you back. At Irene Consulting Firm, we help small and medium businesses save time and grow profits. With expert bookkeeping, payroll, and financial analysis services, we simplify your finances so you can focus on success. Operating across all 50 states, we're your trusted partner for smarter financial management. Ready to grow your business? Contact us today at 404-399-6099 or visit www.ireneconsultingfirm.com.